Hello everyone. So I'm Dr. Tasnifa, Medical Director of Lebron Aesthetic Clinic Private Limited, skin aesthetician and ear trichologist. So today we are going to do a case of Botox for forehead lines and bunny lines and definitely a little bit of eyebrow lift on the sides. So we have our patient here, Miss Sonia with us, and she's my very old patient. So today we are going to perform this Botox on her today. Can you just bring your camera a little bit nearer so that we can just do the markings? Yeah. Okay, so she want this part to get lifted. Okay, she don't want this part to get lifted, so we're not going to do this. We'll be doing the middle area as she is having some forehead lines over here, which we are going to cover. When this frontalis get lifted, so automatically the eyebrow side will get lifted out itself because we are just relaxing the middle frontalis. And here she want a lift on the side, so we'll be doing the Botox on this side. Now there are bunny lines. Can you just do the expression again in the between? Just constrict it a little bit. So here we have the bunny lines. Okay, so we'll be doing the Botox in this particular part. Okay, so this is the part which we are going to do. Can you just constrict a bit? Yeah, no, just bunny lines we have to see. So this is the area where we have to do it. Just do the expression. Yeah, you can see there are the lines over here. We are going to do these lines, and this is the middle nose part where we are going to do the Botox, and this will help to relax the muscle in this part and this part. So when this whole part will be relaxed, automatically the eyebrow will be lifted. But yes, she want little bit of lift on the sides of her eyes. She don't want to do the crow's feet right now. So right now we are going to only lift this part. So in some time we will be applying first the numbing cream on this area so that the area should get numb first, and then after that we'll be doing the Botox for her. Okay, so we have prepared the Botox. This is the Botox, and we have already filled the syringe. The patient has been marked. You can see we have done the marking to the patients. These are the points where we are going to inject, and these are the bunny lines. As the patient don't want the lift over here, so I'm just leaving this place. Okay, and then we are going to do this part of the area so that she can get the cat eye look. Okay, we are starting now, Sonia. It's okay. Take a deep breath. Okay, so we have to be very superficial, and aspiration is very important. Huh? You have to see that air should not go. See, I'm just aspirating at every point. And 2 units, not more than that. Yes, and 2 units at every point, not more than that. Yeah, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं डालना है. You can put 1 unit or 2 unit. As there are the multiple units, na? So we are putting many of the units. So 2 units.
Again, it is all intramuscular.
Yeah, it's intramuscular. Obviously, we are actually targeting the frontalis muscle. Yeah. गॉस पीस है. कहाँ से गॉस पीस है ना मुझे. ओके. पेन ज़्यादा है कि कम है. है पेन. अरे यार क्या बोल रहे हो पेन.
दांत तो चलाए नहीं.
हाँ. Okay, so we are done with the Botox right now, and the patient is quite okay. So Sonia, any pain right now? Okay, so she's completely fine. So we'll be seeing good results after 7 days, hopefully, and we'll get the picture from her so that we can get an idea after 7 days that how the Botox has worked for her. Thank you.